5 things you should consider when it comes to dark circles. Number 1, reduce or stop your consumption of alcohol and nicotine immediately because it dilates the blood vessels that makes the dark circles more visible. Then we have the sun. The sun causes hyperpigmentation, which makes the area around your eyes darker. Sleep is so important. If you don't get enough sleep, I've said this 1,000 times before, it can cause dark circles as well. Salt and caffeine will make the body retain the fluids, and that can result in discoloration and also puffy eyes. Remember all these small things that can affect the eye area. Water! You need to drink enough water to detox, to flush out the toxins. Also, if you don't drink enough water, it can cause the vessels to get enlarged. And then there's collagen, and all the bad habits slows up the collagen loss process. So consider that as well, because the collagen holds the skin together. A simple pose like that can help.